Okay, we are at the trash receptacles. There's two big dumpsters here and two big dumpsters over there. And there's the dump right there. And then water is back up the road a little ways. So, yeah, they got this pretty well organized. But I'm going to dump some trash. A little better view here. Gets to be a busy place. Okay, you guys, Lisa's already sitting down in here, but I said I'm gonna show you where we're eating here. This laundromat, Main Street restaurant and laundromat. Breakfast, lunch, they're only open till like 2 o'clock or 1:45 it says here. But it's a laundromat attached to a restaurant. It's just right across on the north side of I-10. Okay. Okay, if I film a little bit in here? Okay, yeah.
For what? Are you a YouTuber?
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah. Well, are you the owner?
Uh-huh.
How long you been open?
This is our 12th season with the restaurant. It's our 13th season with the laundromat. It's been around since 1995.
Oh, cool.
So,
Cool.
yeah.
Well, we're gonna see how your food is.
Hope you enjoy it.
Okay.
Thank you. I worked hard on that.
There's hot baked Italian. Oh, didn't show you the laundromat. Just your standard laundromat here. Oh, they got showers too. $10 per person for a shower. Oh, okay. Don't want to be filming everybody here. So. All right.
Creamer bowls.
Okay, what'd you get?
Ham and cheese, grilled ham and cheese with fries.
Looks good.
It looks very good.
And I've got the chicken fried steak. I always have to test the chicken fried steak anyway, especially these mama pops. So take a bite. Good. Okay, and I'll let you know how mine is. Okay, it was terrible. I destroyed that, didn't I? Okay, and we were just asking these nice ladies how to get up to this right here. This Halsey Williams Mill, which is just right over by the Posa West. So we're gonna try and get up there and show that to you guys. Anyway, that was pretty good. We're gonna go do some more exploring here. Okay, we're at Central Boulevard and Cone Street. This is the big old flea market here. We're gonna go see what we can find. There's Lisa already over here. There are some characters here, I'll tell you that. Look at that. Every night. Almost every night.
Music.
And look at this. Hot baked Italian. Yeah, I'll show you a little better, give a little better description of the entrance here and what's available. That is, I guess they called it Blue Boy. See, they got their his portable poop tank that they can bring those there and dump those. And then right up here is what I showed you a second ago with the 4 big dumpsters and the dump station up here. I'll show you. Wow, there's no line for the dump station. The line is supposed to start right here, or you know, however many RVs are waiting. Looks like there's just one up there dumping. There's those 4 big dumpsters where I toss the trash. And yeah, they got 2 dump stations, just one fifth wheel right there now. Wow. Okay. Again, this is we're just south of Quartzsite. This is the Posa South long-term visitor area. You can do 2 weeks for $40, or you can do 6 months, 180 days for $180. And yeah, you can sit where you want, or you can move around between these. There's 4 LTVAs right here. La Posa South, La Posa North, La Posa West, and what was another La Posa just right across the road?
Tyson something? I can't remember.
Yeah, there's another one just right across Highway 95 from us right now too. So anyway, that's just a little bit about the facilities here. If you're not self-contained, like you're a tent, you know, you don't have a toilet in your rig, you have to stay within 100 yards of 100 feet, 100 yards of one of the toilets. So anyway.
Okay, so we were 9th in line, and 45 minutes later, we have finally gotten up to the dump station. This dump station is for all of the long-term La Posa sites. So there's 3 different areas that come here to dump. And you can see that line is getting long again.
Okay, you guys, this is Q Mountain. There's a couple of historic sites over here too. We're gonna hike up Q Mountain. I don't know if we're gonna hike up there or not. Maybe. Coming? I think Quartzsite is the rock and gem capital of the world. If you like rocks, you come to Quartzsite.
All right, so this is called, let me make sure I get it right. Yeah, Stetler's Stamp Mill. Now, there's actually 2 mills here at Q Mountain. They're about 350 yards away. We're gonna go see the other one in just a moment. But this is considered the smaller of the 2. And both mills were in operation from about World War II into the 1960s. And then both of them closed down. They used to mine tungsten. That was like the main mineral they would get here, and that's used for producing steel for machinery and stuff. So that was the main ore and the main mineral that they took from the mines, and that kind of ran out then in the 60s, and so the mines were done. So that's about basics for these.
Okay, this one's in poor shape. The other one over here is in better shape.
See
Wait.
down there? Oh, I guess, yeah, there's the cave down here too.
Interesting. Okay, just to give you a little bearings here. See the big tent there? That's where the RTR is going to be. I don't know if you can see that, but there's I-10 right here in front of us. You see these RVs? This is La Posa West. And if you can see that truck on the highway over there, on the other side is La Posa North. Then closest to us here is La Posa Tyson. And then in the distance, which I'm sure you can't see, that's where we are. We're in La Posa South. Yeah, by the way, we didn't know it at this time, but we could have drove down here. For any of you that want to come see this and maybe don't want to do this little hike, yeah, you can just drive right down here. I'd recommend a high clearance vehicle though.
Not too bad of a hike, but you better have good walking shoes on.
Yeah.
Rocks.
Yeah.
Let's see, get it right here. Yeah. One more. I think I cut off the first one.
Some kind of water tank, I guess.
I'm surprised at the lack of graffiti.
Yeah, really very, very little.
Yeah. I'm really surprised.
Yeah, this seems to me to be older than World War II. Oh, whoa. Don't fall and bust through into the mine, Jay. And don't fall on me. Wow. Trying to get up and see what's in here. Okay. No, I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to fall and die today, Lord willing. By the way, got some sad news a couple days ago. One of my buddies in Phoenix passed away. 54 years old. So that was kind of some sad news. He'd been hospitalized for a few weeks. And with blood clots, I guess, and I thought he was improving, but got word 2 days ago that he passed.
Yeah.
So rest in peace, Mike. Okay. Wow. Hey, you never don't know what you're going to see on our simple adventures. Let's see what's up here. So I wonder if this is filled in. I don't know. What's up here? gonna go up top. All this BLM land. Take your four-wheelers, your motorcycles, Jeeps, whatever you want to off-road with. Phew. History. Can you see the prowler out there? Over there by those mountains there, it's a Kofa National Wildlife Refuge. I think it's like 100 acres or something like that, just to the south of us where we're camped, up against those mountains. And Kofa, K-O-F-A, King of Arizona. And I'll let you Google the history on that. Look at that old can. Wow.
Okay, so this is actually the William Stettler Mill. It was built in the same time range in World War II. So it would mill all the different ores that were brought in from the different mines that were in the area. And at one point it was doing not only the tungsten, but silver and gold was also being milled here. So it wasn't an actual mine, but just the mill for all the mines.
Okay, let's go back to Bear. Okay, I think we're gonna wrap this one up right now. Sorry, yeah, I didn't get it on Saturday. I'm just gonna promise you guys every few days. Could be a week to 10 days for these videos. But anyway, follow us on Instagram and also on Facebook for other updates. Next week there's a history of some camels in Quartzsite that we're gonna tell you about. So what do you think about the magic circle?
I'm not sure why it's magic, but hey, interesting. Let's see. We saw a nudist bicycle rider go by, and we saw a nudist on his four-wheeler ATV go driving by. So
and some naked butts walking by.
Yeah.
But yeah. I'll try to get a little picture of that, but I'll blur out. So anyway, look forward to maybe some of that next week.
Yeah, and don't forget to push the bell. This way you'll be notified when the videos come out. So make sure you click on that bell. Yeah, and share this with like-minded people, other nomads or people that want to go traveling. So love you guys. If you need anything from Amazon, please use my Amazon associate link in the description. Love you guys. We'll see you in a few days. See you.